Allah is going to make things work for you if you recite this powerful verse from the Quran. Now, whatever you learn from knowledge, what should we do? Let it stop by you, pass it to others. Share the knowledge with others. It shows that you have a sound heart, and Allah will give you the benefit of that. Why? Because you have a good heart and you wish to share the news and the good news with everybody. You wish to share the Quran with everybody. Convey the message, even if it's a verse from the Quran. We're studying a verse from the Quran, and the Prophet encouraged to share the verses from the Quran with people. We learning a dua, share it. Everybody's going to make dua. You're going to get similar, inshallah. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless you all. I ask Allah to fulfill all your needs. And I'm making this dua for you through this verse. Ya Allah, give sustenance to everybody who's watching us. Ya Allah, give everybody who's anticipating a son, a healthy pious son, a healthy pious child, a healthy pious daughter. Ya Allah, those who don't have